Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the key feature of Windows 11. If you want to install Windows 11 in your PC, we will see that the key feature of Windows 11. So let's introducing Windows 11. So Windows 11, as you can see on the screen, they claim Windows 11 has more secure, more productive, and there are a lot of key features are available here. It is best for gaming, and one of the cool thing that I have found in the Windows 11 is we can use Android apps on the Windows platform system. So it is very cool feature, I think. And they claim that the Windows has a smart HDR supported, which is very useful for gaming. As you can see on the screen, now we see that Windows 11 specification. Here the system requirements of Windows 11. Let's see some basic system requirements of Windows 11. So as you can see on the processor, minimum requirement is 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 more cores on compatible 64-bit processor or a system on a chip. I think most of the PCs has this system. The RAM part 4 gigabyte. As you can see, all the laptops or PCs have nowadays 4 gigabyte RAM. System firmware UEFI secure boot capable, and TPM trusted platform TPM model version 2, and graphics card, which is the main important issue for installing the Windows 11, which is compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. Display high definition 720p display that is greater than 9-inch, diagonally 8 bits per color channel, and that is also the cool things, very common things. Internet connections and Microsoft accounts, which is also common things for every laptops nowadays. Feature specific requirements for Windows 11. Some features in Windows 11 have increased requirements beyond those listed above in the minimum requirements section. Below are some additional details regarding requirements for key features. 5G support requires 5G capable modem. Auto HDR requires an HD monitor. BitLock to go requires a USB flash drive. Client Hyper-V requires a processor with second level address translation capabilities. Cortana, and also have a lot of requirements, and you can see on this page which I included in the description, and you can check out the link and read all the terms as you need. If you have any interest to see more details, so you can click on the link.